How to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to hide all these messy icons from your desktop on Windows 11? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you are on the desktop screen. Then, right-click on your mouse while keeping the cursor on a blank space. A menu will appear. Hover over the View option. A sub-menu will appear. Over here, you will see the option for Show Desktop Icons. As you can see, tick icon is showing on the left side, which is why the icons are currently visible. Left-click on the option to untick it. Once the option is unticked, all desktop icons will be hidden. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.